everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. So if you don't have access to your Gmail address or your phone number, so this means if you forgotten your TikTok password and you don't have access to your email or phone number, in this tutorial I will show you a couple different steps that should help you recover your TikTok account and gain access it back. First thing we need to do is open the TikTok app and then select use phone slash email slash username. Once we get on the screen, we are not actually going to use our phone or email address. What we want to do is select the question mark in the top right of the app. This will bring us to a report a problem. From here under topics, all we need to do is select logging in. And as you can see here, we have some additional options rather than our phone number or email address to recover our account. So if you happen to have linked your Instagram account to your TikTok account, you can select the option at the bottom for Instagram. But if you didn't, let's go to the top and select TikTok username. Go ahead and enter your username. Then as you can see, it wants me to verify my identity. Now unfortunately I don't have access to my email, so what I need to do is select need help at the bottom. Once you get to tell us your feedback, you need to write out a little statement that basically tells them what's going on and what you need done. So as you can see here, I typed out a little things that says I can't log into my TikTok account, I don't have access to my email, and I lost my phone. From there, you just want to make sure that you share your username and tell them exactly what you need, which is that you need to regain access to your TikTok account. Additionally, I recommend providing a different email address so that they can contact you if they need to. From there, you just want to select report and then they should get back to you within 48 hours. Then the last method we can use to recover our TikTok account is going to be a create a support ticket with TikTok, and do that by first opening the browser either on our phone or computer, and you just want to search TikTok feedback in the search results. Your first option should be share your feedback. Select that, and we just want to provide information, our new email address, your TikTok username. Under topics, you want to select general account inquiry, and then it should show up with tell us more. Select tell us more, and you want to do recover account. From there, try to provide as much information as you can about your issue and letting them know that you don't have access to your phone or your email address, basically the same write up that we sent before. Now if you have anything else that you can provide that will prove that you own this account, you can do screenshots, anything like that. The more you can provide that proves that you own this account, the faster it will be recovering it. From there, just go to the bottom and select submit. So that's it for this video. That's how you can recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. So I hope this was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.